Today we are going to talk about trigeminal neuralgia. It is also known as tic-douloureux. It is a distinctive facial pain syndrome that may become recurrent and chronic. It is characterized by sudden, severe paroxysms of neuropathic pain in one or more branches of trigeminal nerve. It is unilateral pain and is often accompanied by a brief spasm or tic. It affects women more frequently than men. Pain may be due to an anomalous artery or vein impinging on the trigeminal nerve. Now, what are the clinical findings of trigeminal neuralgia? Episodes of sudden lancinating facial pain occurs, commonly arise near one side of the mouth and shoot toward ear, eye or nostril on that side. Pain may be triggered by touch, movement and eating. Spontaneous remissions for several months or longer may occur. Symptoms remain confined to the distribution of trigeminal nerve on one side only. What is the pain quality? Pain is severe, paroxysmal, lancinating in nature. It commences with a sensation of electrical shock. Pain then begins to fade within seconds. During attacks, patients may grimace, wince or make an aversive head movement as if trying to escape pain, thus producing an obvious movement or tic, hence the term tic-douloureux. What is the differential diagnosis of trigeminal neuralgia? In a young patient presenting with trigeminal neuralgia, multiple sclerosis must be suspected even if there are no other neurological signs. Number 2. When facial pain is due to a posterior fossa tumor, CT scanning and MRI generally reveals the lesion. Migraine, cluster headaches may produce severe unilateral pain, but unlike trigeminal neuralgia, these conditions are not triggered by movement or contact with the face. Diagnosis of the trigeminal neuralgia. No laboratory, electrophysiologic or radiologic testing is routinely indicated for diagnosis of trigeminal neuralgia, as patients with a characteristic history and normal neurologic exam may be treated without further workup. Now, what is the management of the trigeminal neuralgia? Treatment of trigeminal neuralgia comprises the following. Number 1. Pharmacological therapy. Number 2 is percutaneous procedures, then surgery like microvascular decompression, and at the end radiation therapy, gamma knife surgery. First of all, pharmacological therapy. Single drug therapy may provide immediate and satisfying relief. Carbamazepine is the best studied drug for trigeminal neuralgia. Over the years, patients may require a second or third drug to control breakthrough episodes and finally may need surgical intervention. Lamotrigine and baclofen are second-line therapies. Control data for adding a second drug when the first fails exists only for the addition of lamotrigine to carbamazepine. Gabapentin has demonstrated effectiveness in trigeminal neuralgia, especially in patients with multiple sclerosis. Then we will discuss the features of surgical treatment. 3 operative strategies now prevail. Number 1, percutaneous procedures, then gamma knife surgery, and at the end microvascular decompression. 90% of the patients are pain-free immediately or soon after any of the operations above, but the relief is much more long-lasting with microvascular decompression.